Introduction to nodes. When you build an automation workflow, you're not creating one big complex system all at once. You're assembling it piece by piece. Those pieces are called nodes. A node is a single building block inside your workflow. Each node performs exactly one action, no more, no less. It could send a message, call an API, check a condition, or store data. By combining multiple nodes together, you create a complete automation scenario. Think of nodes as individual workers in a team. Each worker has one responsibility, and together they complete the project. What exactly is a node? A node is the smallest functional unit in your automation. It performs a single, specific task. For example, one node might start the workflow when a form is submitted. Another node might send collected data to a database. Another could send an email notification. Nodes are connected together to form a flow. Data moves step by step from one node to the next. Each node receives input, processes it, and passes output forward. This step-by-step structure is what makes automation logical and predictable. Types of nodes you'll use in most automation platforms. You'll work with a few common types of nodes. A trigger node starts the workflow. An HTTP request node sends or receives data from external systems. An email node sends a message to a user or team. An if node makes decisions based on conditions. Each of these nodes has a different responsibility, but they all follow the same principle. One node, one job. This modular structure allows you to build powerful systems without writing complex code. Why nodes matter? Nodes make your workflow structured and transparent. Instead of having a black box system where you don't know what's happening, you can clearly see each step. If something goes wrong, you can inspect the specific node responsible. This makes troubleshooting easier and faster. Nodes also allow customization at every stage. You can modify one step without rebuilding the entire system. This flexibility is what makes automation scalable and professional. Real-world example. Let's make this practical. Imagine a freelance client wants a simple automation. First, when someone fills out a form, a trigger node starts the workflow. Second, the form data is sent to Google Sheets using an HTTP request node. Third, an email node notifies the team that a new submission has arrived. 3 simple nodes, 3 clear responsibilities. Together, they create a fully automated system. This is how you break down complex tasks into manageable parts. How nodes connect? Nodes connect like pipes. The output of one node becomes the input of the next. Consider a client booking flow. First, a client submits a booking request. Second, the system saves the booking details. Third, the system sends a confirmation message. This sequence creates automation. You decide the order. You define what happens next. The logic is entirely in your hands. Think like a builder. What comes first? What follows? Each node is a step in your smart machine.